What's up guys, Karekajnr here. So today I'll be testing how long an old HP 2000 laptop takes to start up. So this laptop, for considerations, it has 4 GB RAM and it also uses a HDD. Apart, it's not using the new SSD that have come out. So it has 2 slots, which means it can get up to a maximum of 8 GB. And yeah, let's check it out. How long does it take to boot up? So I have my timer here and I have my laptop here, so I'll place them both at the same time and see how much it takes. Here we go. So we will wait until the startup screen has come up, and then that we will conclude that is the time it takes for it to boot up. So again, it's a HP 2000 laptop, 4 GB RAM with a 500 GB HDD. So yeah, it is actually 8 years old. It was first produced in around 8 years ago. So 8 years ago from today is around 20, it's 20 some years back. So it's still loading. So the time has surpassed 1 minute. So in today's standards, 1 minute is a really long time for a computer to be still starting up. So yeah, there we go. Now it has shown the startup screen, and whoop, from the time I pressed the button to the time this screen has appeared, it is 1 minute 20 seconds and 86 milliseconds. So yeah, that's a really long time for a computer to start up. So generally that is around the time it takes, but there is other considerations that you should take into account. The fact that it took 1 minute 20 seconds to start up, it means that if you enter the password of your account, it will take a few more minutes to load and then to bring up the desktop on. So let's say it's around 2 minutes. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in the next videos. So subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and ring the notification bell for more videos, to be notified when more videos come out. And also you can comment down below and like the videos, and you can also share it, and you can also share other of my videos to see for other people who will be interested in this type of content. So thank you guys for watching. It's been your guy Karekajnr here. Karekajnr signing out. Peace.